Understanding, in sound condition, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, in sound condition. This expression is commonly used, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in your conversations and writings. In sound condition refers to something that is in good, stable, or secure state. It implies that an object, system, or even a person is functioning well, without any significant problems or damage. This phrase is often used to describe the physical state of objects, but it can also apply to financial, emotional, or health conditions. The key here is the word sound, which in this context means healthy, sturdy, or reliable. The origins of in sound condition trace back to the use of sound as an adjective meaning healthy or undamaged, which has been part of the English language for centuries. This use of sound is not limited to physical health but extends to describing the overall condition or quality of something. Understanding its origins helps to grasp why the phrase conveys a sense of reliability and wellness. To understand how in sound condition is used in everyday language, let's look at some examples. The mechanic checked the car and confirmed it was in sound condition before the road trip. Here, it means the car is reliable and safe to drive. After the financial audit, the company was found to be in sound condition. In this context, it suggests the company is financially stable. Despite the storm, the boat remained in sound condition. This implies the boat was sturdy and undamaged. When using in sound condition in your speech or writing, it's important to ensure that it fits the context. This phrase is versatile, suitable for formal and informal situations. Here are a few tips. Use it to reassure someone about the quality or state of an object or situation. It can be a useful term in professional settings, like business, finance, or medicine, to describe stability or health. Incorporate it into your language when discussing repairs, maintenance, or the outcome of inspections to emphasize the positive state of something. In sound condition is a useful phrase that adds depth to your English communication, conveying a sense of stability, health, and reliability. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning and usage for you. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in discovering the nuances that make your communication more effective and expressive. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.